parting my hair, and that's just to get the little hairs out the way. I use just regular hair grease, beeswax, and edge control. So the parting gets all the little strands out the way, and once I do that, then I'll start twisting it, and from there I'll twist my 3 locks and then braid them together. It's pretty basic. I use the edge control on the front of my hair, so I went ahead and did the whole back of my hair. So I have like 3 more locks left on this part. The type of hair I have is really soft, and so when I wet it, it's really easy to manage. So I've tried doing it dry, and I don't have the same results as I usually do. So I went ahead and parted this last braid that I'm gonna do, and it's greased already. So going ahead and twisting my locks. When I'm braiding, I twist my locks as I braid all the way down. So you'll see me do that when it's time to braid. The edge of control on the front that I do on my hair, I lay down all that hair because my hair does frizz up easily. So I just lay it down with the edge control. I've never used gel in my hair. Well, actually, I used it once, and it flakes my hair up. So since then, I always use edge control, and I like it better. I don't know how to swoop my edges yet, but I'm working on it. So since I've had locks these past 4 years, I just laid them down, and they've been fine. I think the swoop would be a nice little addition to me styling my locks. The other thing is I didn't have my clips with me, so that's why I'm putting my locks in my mouth. Usually when I have my clips, I just clip my hair as I go, and it just helps with getting it out the way. So I didn't have all the materials I need that I usually have, but I've apparently, y'all can see, haven't used locks before. I mean, used clips before, so I'm still able to manage. Also, combing through my locks also makes it better to twist because I'm not twisting like the nap part, so it just lays it down way easier. All right, so I am beginning my braid. I'm gonna get a little closer, but when I do get closer, you'll be able to see me twist my lock and braid, and I would just hold the locks together so they don't unravel, and 2, it will make my crinkles more defined when I do take them out. I usually keep these in. I can keep them in for a week or 2, and they'll be fine, but I usually end up taking them down after 2 or 3 days because they don't start itching. I don't know why, but just having the braids in my hair makes my head itch. It's kind of like the box braids that I used to get. And then I put the rubber band on it, and that's it. All right, so this was the final result after 3 days. I think it turned out really good. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. If you like the content, like it. See you all next time.